I have data from A18 till I718, which is having a data of product, customer, DAC, zone, city, sales quantity, and so on, right? So now on top, I have taken a unique cities entry by applying a unique formula. And for the city where I have selected, I want to see what is the total sales. So the function which I'm going to apply is sum ifs. The total sales is in the range of total sales where my city, so that's the range of city column, so Hyderabad onwards till the end, is equal to the value which is there. That's the criteria is A2. Since I want to apply for the remaining area and since it's a table data, I'll just use an hash here and it will pick up the data for the remaining cities. I have applied a slicer here for the DAC. So now the requirement says that it should show me the total sales only for the DAC which I select, right? As it has not been affecting here, so it should show me that for the DAC which I select, it should show me what is the value, the total sales for each cities which they have been associated with. Now for that, as we know that when I'm applying a slicer here, you can see here the below data table, right? It is showing me only those records. It acts like a filter, right, for the person which I've selected, right? So I'm going to apply a subtotal, right, for the person which I've selected, and if the person is there, it will show me one. Else, it will show me zero, right? So I'll just write here one additional column, and the function which I'm going to apply here is subtotal. I want to get a count here, so I'll just say here's count A 3. It's a text-based data here, so I'll 3 here, and let me take the DAC which is there, right? So it shows me 11111, and if I just uncheck everything, everything is 1, right? So now what is actually is happening here is, so when I select Aniket Kelkar, as this value is in selection, it will show me all 111, and remaining data it will be 0, right? So for the selection it will be 1, and wherever the values are hidden, that will be is not visible, right? So automatically it's been considered as 0 entry. So what I will be doing here is, since I've added a function called sumif, let me go and add one more element here where the visibles, right? All the visible value. Let's say remove the filter 1 second, and then we'll try to apply, right? So going down here, comma, I'll pick up the visible cells data, right? Where the column, the value visible is equal to 1, and I close the bracket. Enter. Right, since its entire selection is there, it shows me the value. Now let me go and pick up Abhishek Verma. You can see here it's showing data only for Hyderabad and Vizag. So Abhishek has been associated with Hyderabad and Vizag. Let me go for Kishore Tani, is again Hyderabad and Vizag. And let's say here I go for Amit Yadav. Now you can see Amit Yadav is being assigned to Mumbai and Pune. So the total sales of Amit in Pune and total sales for Mumbai, right? Let me go and pick up for Suresh Nair. So Suresh has been associated with Gurgaon, Lucknow, and Delhi. So as you know that the moment when I select a particular value from a slicer, the corresponding table where I have applied a sumifs, right? It's been also been changing according to the selection which I have taken. Right? So this is how we can try making use of complex like one of the dashboard presentations, right? For applying a formula based on the slicer selections. Thank you.